Hey everyone, welcome to Dream House Designs channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, a deep dive into the world of Scandinavian design and how it can transform your living room. In this video, we'll be exploring on how to transform your space with these 62 incredible wall house design ideas that will elevate your living room space to a whole new level. The Scandinavian design aesthetic is known for its simplicity, functionality, and timeless appeal. When it comes to transforming your living room, the walls play a crucial role in setting the tone for the entire space. Start by embracing a neutral color palette for your walls. Opt for shades like white, beige, or light gray to create a clean and airy backdrop. These hues not only reflect light but also provide a versatile canvas for other design elements. Add depth and interest to your walls with textured wallpapers. Scandinavian design often incorporates subtle textures like linen or grass cloth, bringing a tactile dimension to the space without overwhelming it. Introduce warmth and natural elements by incorporating wooden paneling. Whether you choose reclaimed wood or opt for a light, natural finish, wooden paneling can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Scandinavian design often features simple geometric patterns. Consider using wallpaper or stencils to add subtle geometric shapes to your walls, creating visual interest without being too bold. Adorn your walls with monochromatic artwork that complements the neutral color scheme. Black and white photographs or minimalist paintings can enhance the Scandinavian aesthetic while adding a personal touch. For a modern Scandinavian look, consider vertical wood strips on one accent wall. This adds a subtle yet impactful design element that draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller. Bring nature indoors with greenery wall art. Hang botanical prints or frame plant illustrations to infuse a sense of freshness and vitality into your living room. Introduce metallic accents like copper or brass to add a touch of luxury. Consider metallic frames for artwork, light fixtures, or even a statement metallic accent wall. Opt for Scandinavian-inspired wall decals featuring simple shapes, animals, or botanical motifs. This is a cost-effective and temporary way to add a touch of Scandinavian design to your living room walls. Get creative with DIY wall hangings using natural materials like macrame, yarn, or wooden beads. Handcrafted pieces add a personal touch and contribute to the overall cozy atmosphere. Consider a cork accent wall for a unique and functional touch. Cork is not only visually interesting but also serves as a practical bulletin board for notes, reminders, and artwork. Break up a neutral color scheme by incorporating a dark accent wall. Charcoal gray or navy blue can add sophistication and create a focal point within the room. Experiment with layering different wall decor elements, such as framed artwork, mirrors, and shelves. This adds depth and complexity to the walls without overwhelming the space. Make a bold statement with a graphic wall mural. Choose a mural that aligns with Scandinavian design principles, such as landscapes, abstract patterns, or minimalist illustrations. For an earthy and grounding feel, consider a natural stone accent wall. This can be achieved with stone tiles or veneers, adding a touch of rustic charm to your Scandinavian-inspired living room. And that's a wrap on our exploration of 62 living room Scandinavian wall design hacks. I hope you found inspiration and ideas to turn your space into the Scandinavian oasis you've always dreamed of. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow design enthusiasts. For more design tips, home decor inspirations, and all things lifestyle, be sure to check out our other videos on dream house design. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of design lovers. Subscribing is the best way to stay updated on our latest content, and you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Also, remember to turn on notifications by ringing that bell icon so you're always the first to know when we drop a new video. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep creating spaces that reflect your unique style and personality. See you in the next video.